crystal sea, bringing your smile back to me. Golden sunlight fills the air. I find my peace when you're there. Every wave that kisses shore makes me love you even more. Gentle winds begin to sing, hope is carried on their wings. If the clouds should hide the sky, I still see the light nearby. Every heartbeat knows it's true, my forever starts with you.
Seasons filled with rain, moments wrapped in quiet pain. Still your kindness found my soul, making every broken piece feel whole.
Forgiveness bloomed like flowers bright,
opening our hearts to light.
Every lesson, every tear made our love grow stronger here. Like the river finds the sea, you are home inside of me. Every sunrise gently shows love is where our story grows. Only you in the ocean blue hold the dreams we're sailing through. Every tide brings love ashore, making me love you even more. Stay with me through every dawn, we'll keep dancing until the night is gone. Hand in hand our hearts are free, you're my sweetest melody. When the moon reflects the waves, I remember all you gave. Every whisper in the breeze brings my restless heart to peace. Let's leave yesterday behind, trust the rhythm, take our time. Every kiss becomes a flame, burning softly just the same.
A mellow flugelhorn introduces a flowing melody over a deep, singing bassline, clean skank guitars answer each phrase, while warm organ chords and tropical percussion create a relaxed island atmosphere before the vogue return.
Only you in the ocean blue, every dream feels fresh and new. Through the sunshine and the rain, love keeps calling us again. Every heartbeat, every smile makes the journey all worthwhile. Side by side we'll always be, bound by love and harmony. Evening settles on the sea, stars shine down so tenderly. As the island breezes flow, my heart will always let you know.
You're the song I'll always sing, the joy each new day brings. When the sunrise warms the sea, your gentle smile awakens me. Every morning feels brand new, every dream begins with you. Like the breeze through island trees, you bring my restless heart to peace. Every moment, every mile, life is brighter with your smile. Though the road may twist and turn, there's a lesson every heart must learn. Love grows stronger when we choose to hold on instead of letting loose. Faithful through the years we'll be, like the river meets the sea, hand in hand through joy and pain. Love will bloom again and again. You're the light that guides me home, never letting me walk alone. Every heartbeat softly proves forever is the love we choose. There were nights of falling rain, heavy words and hidden pain. Still your kindness found a way, bringing hope into the day. Every tear became a stream, feeding one unbroken dream. With forgiveness in our eyes, we found sunshine after skies. Every promise gently made never has to fade away. Side by side we'll always stand, building futures hand in hand. Faithful through the years we'll be, like the river meets the sea, hand in hand through joy and pain. Love will bloom again and again. You're the light that guides me home, never letting me walk alone. Every heartbeat softly proves forever is the love we choose. Time may paint our hair with silver, seasons come and seasons go. Still the fire inside our hearts will be brighter than before. Let's dance beneath the evening sky, where stars reflect in quiet eyes. Every kiss becomes a prayer, thankful for the love we share. A soulful tenor sax introduces a warm melody, answered by expressive clicking guitar phrases. The melodic bass carries the groove, while vintage organ swells in softer passion. Create a rich island atmosphere before the final chorus. Faithful through the years we'll be,
love will always be our life. With every laugh and every tear, we'll write another golden year. Heart to heart will always stay, choosing love in every way. Ocean winds begin to sing, hope arrives with every spring. In your arms I found my place, wrapped forever in your grace. Morning light upon your face fills my heart with quiet grace. Every smile you freely share turns the ordinary rare. Like the breeze across the sea, you bring peaceful harmony. Every step we take as one feels like dancing in the sun. When the world becomes unclear, your gentle voice is all I hear. Every promise, every prayer reminds me love is always great. Love grows here where our hearts belong, strong enough to carry on. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel so bright. Hold me close, don't drift away. Let's ride forever, day by day. Side by side, we'll see it through. Every dream begins with you. We have known the weight of tears, quiet doubts and restless years. Still compassion found the way, helping hope return to stay. Every lesson made us wise, truth reflected in our eyes. Now our hearts can finally see, love is where we're meant to be. Like the river finds the sea, you are home inside of me. Every heartbeat softly knows where the sweetest garden grows. Love grows here where our hearts belong, strong enough to carry on. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel so bright. Hold me close, don't drift away. Let's ride forever, day by day. Side by side, we'll see it through. Every dream begins with you. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll dance through every drop again. Hand in hand beneath the skies, keeping hope alive inside. Every kiss becomes a flame, burning gently just the same. Time may change the world we see, but not our sweet melody.
A warm electric piano introduces a gentle melody, while a melodic bass line glides beneath soft offbeat guitars. Flugelhorn and tenor sax exchange soulful phrases before rich vocal harmonies return for the final chorus.
Love grows here with every smile, making every road worthwhile. Through the seasons we will stand, building dreams with heart in hand. Every morning feels brand new, every sunset shines for two. Forever isn't far away, find the love we choose each day. Moonlight resting on the sea, soft wind singing tenderly, with your heart so close to mine, every moment feels divine.
To sway, carrying all my fears away. Your gentle touch, your quiet smile makes every moment feel worthwhile. The stars awaken one by one, like promises we've just begun, wrapped in the glow of silver skies. I find forever in your eyes. When the world grows cold and gray, your love lights up my darkest day. Every heartbeat softly knows this is where forever grows. Moonlight whispers through the trees, bringing your sweet melody. Hold me close, don't let me go. You're the love I've come to know. Like the waves embrace the sand, you still reach out and take my hand. Through every season, near or far, you'll always be my guiding star. We have known the weight of tears, quiet doubts and restless years. Still forgiveness found its way, turning night into a brighter day. Every word we couldn't say fades like footprints in the bay. Lovers taught our hearts to see what forever truly means. Every sunrise, every tide keeps our dreams alive inside. Hand in hand we'll always be, growing like the island sea. Moonlight whispers through the trees, bringing your sweet melody. Hold me close, don't let me go. You're the love I've come to know. Like the waves embrace the sand, you still reach out and take my hand. Through every season, near or far, you'll always be my guiding star. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll dance together just the same. Every cloud will drift away, love will find another day. With every laugh and every prayer, I know your heart is always there. We'll write our story in the breeze, floating softly through the trees.
A warm flugelhorn sings a gentle melody, while a clean reggae guitar answers each phrase. The bass glides beneath the glowing organ pad, with congas and shakers adding a soft island pulse before the Valkyrie return.
Moonlight whispers, soft and bright, keeping our love warm tonight. Every dream we've held so long becomes tomorrow's sweetest song. Side by side we'll always stay. Love will never fade away. Every heartbeat strong and true finds its home with only you. Gentle winds and moonlit skies, hope reflected in your eyes. Every wave upon the sea sings our endless harmony. Washing over me. When the world is rushing by, you're the calm beneath my sky. Every promise, every prayer tells me love is waiting there. Meet me where the palms remember, every kiss beneath the stars. Love will bloom through every season, no matter where tomorrow starts. Hold me close like island breezes, soft and warm against the shore. You're the song my soul keeps singing, now and forevermore.
There were nights we lost the light, clouds that covered dreams from sight. Still your gentle heart believed, healing every hurt we grieve.
Now forgiveness fills the air, growing stronger everywhere. Like the sunrise greets the sea, you bring out the best in me.
Every wave keeps rolling home, never meant to drift alone. Hand in hand we'll always be, rooted deep like island trees.
Meet me where the palms remember, every kiss beneath the stars. Love will bloom through every season, no matter where tomorrow starts. Hold me close like island promise love can always bloom again. A warm flugelhorn introduces a lyrical melody, answered by clean reggae guitar fills and a singing bass line. The avant-garde swells gently beneath contrasts and shake-ups before the void blue return. Meet me where the palms remember, where our dreams are free to grow. Every laugh becomes a treasure. Every day our love will show. Hold me close through every season, every sunrise, every storm. You're the home my heart believes in, keeping every moment warm. Ocean winds keep softly calling as the evening melts to blue. Every wave repeats one promise, my forever starts with you. Every heartbeat found its place when I saw forever in your embrace. Though the rain has crossed our sky, we never let our hope run dry. Every scar became a light, leading us back through every night. No perfect road beneath our feet, still your love makes my soul complete. Hand in hand we'll always stand, building dreams across the sand. You're the rhythm in my heartbeat, the melody that feels so sweet. Hold me close and never let go, together our love will always grow. Like the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you even more. Morning sun or midnight moon, our hearts will always sing in tune. Silence breaks our song, we'll find the words before too long. Every tear becomes a stream, flowing back into our dream. When forgiveness fills the air, love reminds us why we're here. Every promise softly made never fades, never fades. Storms may come and seasons change, still our hearts remain the same. Every sunrise brings us near, stronger than our greatest fear. You're the rhythm in my heartbeat, the melody that feels so sweet. Hold me close and never let go, together our love will always grow. Like the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you even more. Morning sun or midnight moon, our hearts will always sing in tune. close through every day. Nothing can steal our love away. Side by side until we're old, writing stories still untold. In your arms I found my home. Never again will I roam. Soft winds whisper through the night, moonlight shining warm and bright. Love forever pure and true, my heart keeps beating just for you. Morning light falls through the window, painting colors on your face. Every smile you leave behind me turns this house into a place. We have crossed the restless rivers, walked through sunshine, walked through rain. Every time the world grew colder, love would warm our hearts again. If tomorrow brings a shadow, I'll be standing by your side. Every promise that we've spoken lives forever deep inside. I'll always find my way to you, no matter what we're going through. Like the moon that calls the tide, you're the peace I hold inside. Take my hand and hold it tight. We'll turn every dark to light. Love keeps blooming fresh and new. I'll always find my way to you. There were moments filled with silence, words we never meant to say. But forgiveness found the doorway, letting hurt just fade away. Every heartbeat tells a story, every kiss begins again. Love is stronger than the distance, greater than the deepest pain. When the evening softly whispers and the stars begin to shine, every dream becomes much brighter, knowing that your heart is mine. I'll always find my way to you, no matter what we're going through. Like the moon that calls the tide, you're the peace I hold inside. Take my hand and hold it tight. We'll turn every dark to light. Love keeps blooming fresh and new. I'll always find my way to you. No mountain stands forever, no storm can rule the sea. Your gentle love reminds me who I'm meant to be. Let's dance beneath the palm trees, where the ocean greets the shore. Every beat becomes a promise I'll keep forevermore. I'll always find my way to you. Through every season we'll break through. When the sunrise fills the sky, our forever will still fly. Every laugh and every tear makes our sweetest memories here. Love will guide our hearts anew. I'll always find my way to you. Gentle breezes softly play, carrying our hearts away. In your love I found Sunset glows upon the sea. Your gentle smile still comforts me. Though we stumbled on the road, love still carries every load. Every whisper, every sigh, like birds dancing through the sky. Even when the silence came, our hearts still called each other's name. Let's not let the night decide. There's still a flame we hold inside. Every dream deserves one chance to bloom again through sweet romance. Hold on to our hearts tonight. Don't let love fade out of sight. We can heal these broken dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems. Take my hand and stay a while. Bring back every precious smile. Side by side we'll make it through. My forever lives with you. Time may leave a few regrets, but love remembers, never forgets. Every tear that touched the ground helped a stronger love be found. Your forgiveness feels like rain, washing every trace of pain. Now tomorrow calls our name with a brighter, warmer flame. Every heartbeat softly knows where the deepest true love grows. When we trust what hearts can see, love becomes our destiny. Hold on to our hearts tonight. Don't let love fade out of sight. We can heal these broken dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems. Take my hand and stay a while. Bring back every precious smile. Side by side we'll make it through. My forever lives with you. Like the tide returns to shore, I'll choose your love forevermore. Every sunrise paints the sky with another reason why. We'll dance beneath the island moon, our souls forever in sweet tune. Every promise shining bright, guiding us through every night. Hold on to our hearts tonight. Together everything feels right. Hope is stronger than goodbye. Love was never meant to die. Every season, every year, I'll be standing right here. With every breath my heart stays true. My forever ends with you. Ocean breeze, a sweet refrain. Love has found its way again. Hand in hand we'll always be, like the waves embrace the sea. Morning breaks across the shoreline, soft as every word you say. Golden light upon the water, guiding us into the day. Every breeze carries your laughter. Every wave repeats your name. cloud should hide the blue, I'll still see the light in you. Every heartbeat knows the way. Love is here to always stay. Ride with me into the sunrise, where tomorrow gently starts. Every mile becomes a memory, written safely in our hearts. Hold me close beneath the blue sky. Never let this feeling fade. Our forever grows much stronger with every promise that we've made. There were nights of silent sorrow, times when hope was running low, but forgiveness found the doorway, helping wounded hearts to grow. Like the rivers reach the ocean, like the stars embrace the night, love returns with quiet patience, bringing everything to light. No regret can steal tomorrow, no goodbye can change what's true. Every dream begins again, every road leads back to you. Ride with me into the sunrise, where tomorrow gently starts. Every mile becomes a memory, written safely in our heart. Hold me close beneath the blue sky. Never let this feeling fade. Our forever grows much stronger with every promise that we made. Let's leave every fear behind us. Let the ocean wash it clean. Every kiss becomes a blessing, every hope a living dream. When the evening finds our footsteps, we'll still dance beneath the stars. Love has built a peaceful harbor, safe from every storm we've crossed. Ride with me through every season, through the sunshine and the rain. Every sunrise tells the story. Love can bloom again and again. Hand in hand we'll keep believing. Side by side we'll always be. Every morning starts with laughter, every sunset ends in peace. shore. With your heart beside my heartbeat, I'll keep loving evermore. The morning sun begins to rise. I see forever in your eyes. Every breeze whispers your name. Since you came, life's not the same. Like the tide that finds the shore, you give me reasons to love more. Every heartbeat calm and true leads my soul right back to you. If the road gets hard to climb, I'll still choose your heart each time. Through every season, hand in hand, we'll build our dreams upon the sand. You light my horizon, bright as the dawn, giving me strength to keep moving on. Wrapped in your love, I finally see you found the very best in me. Stay by my side through every tide, with your sweetheart as my guide. Every tomorrow starts anew when I'm sharing life with you. We have known a little sorrow, wondering what tomorrow brings. But forgiveness opened windows, teaching broken hearts to sing. Every promise softly spoken, every gentle touch we share, turns the smallest everyday moment into something rich and rare. And the evening paints the sky, stars remind us love can fly. Holding on through joy and tears, we'll keep dancing through the years. You light my horizon, bright as the dawn, giving me strength to keep moving on. Wrapped in your love, I finally see you found the very best in me. Stay by my side through every tide, with your sweetheart as my guide. Every tomorrow starts anew when I'm sharing life with you. No matter where the winds may blow, your gentle love is all I know. Like an island in the sea, you've become my melody. Let's leave every fear behind, trust the rhythm, take our time. Every kiss writes one more page in our everlasting days. You light my horizon, shining so bright, turning every shadow into light. With every laugh and every dream, nothing is ever as hard as it seems. Hand in hand, we'll always stay, growing stronger every day. Forever starts with me and you, a love so faithful, pure and true. Ocean winds begin to sway, carrying all our fears waves away. Under moonlight, hearts agree. Our love is where we're meant to be. Calling low, carrying dreams we've come to know. Every smile upon your face turns this world into a peaceful place. When your hand reaches for mine, even the stars begin to shine. Love has found its gentle way, growing stronger every day. No matter where the seasons go, you're the only heart I know. Every promise, every kiss builds a lifetime filled with bliss. Forever starts tonight with you, under skies so clear and blue. Every heartbeat sings your name, burning with a steady flame. Hold me close and never part. You're the rhythm of my heart. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. There were days we lost our way, words too heavy left to say. Still forgiveness found the door, teaching us to love once more. Every tear became a stream, flowing toward a brighter dream. Now tomorrow softly calls, love is standing strong through all. Hope is blooming like the spring, every bird begins to sing. Side by side we'll always stand, building life with heart and hand. Forever starts tonight with you, under skies so clear and blue. Every heartbeat sings your name, burning with a steady flame. Hold me close and never part. You're the rhythm of my heart. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. Dance with me beneath the moon, let our souls find perfect tune. Ocean waves and island breeze carry love through swaying trees. Every sunrise, every tide finds you standing by my side. Nothing shines more bright or true than this life I share with you. Forever starts tonight with you, under skies so clear and blue. Every heartbeat sings your name, burning with a steady flame. Hold me close and never part. You're the rhythm of my heart. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. I'll choose your love